Hey friends, this is Anchal Lala. I welcome you all to my video lecture series for the topic interview skills. Now it's very important for every one of us to understand about interview and the skills required to crack that interview. Many of us might have heard from many people or might have experienced ourselves that it is not very simple and easy to crack an interview. So here we will try to understand about the whole process of interview, the different types of interview, and my main focus will be on basically recruitment or employment interview. Let's talk about it later, but initially let us try to understand what is exactly an interview. So to talk about an interview is a structured conversation. Now when I talk about structured conversation, structured means the interviewer is already having a kind of set of questions which he or she is going to ask to the interviewee. This is a process where two-way communication happens. One party is the party of interviewer, and interviewer means person who is asking questions, and another party is party of an interviewee, and interviewee is a person who is replying to the questions. So basically it is well planned, well organized and well structured kind of conversation. A talk where interviewer comes to understand about the potential, about the caliber and about the capability of an interviewee. So when we are talking about interview, what is exactly the need of an interview? Now my friends, you all will agree that this is a competitive scenario and we have so many other competence in the same area. So suppose if there is one particular vacancy, there are 100 applicants for the same. So the company should have a kind of clear vision that whom they should employ and who is really going to be a beneficial employee for them. So for this main purpose, it is very important for every company to understand who is the right person to be employed. Now when I am talking about the company and the person and all, I am not only constraining myself to the job or recruitment interview. There are many other types of interviews also. Probably you might have heard some types of interviews. Here in a nutshell, I would like to give you a kind of idea that what are the different types of interviews. So the first type of interview which is there is job, recruitment, or we also call it as employment interview. We are going to talk in detail about this later. Now at the second position we have admission interview. Admission interview is basically a kind of interview where there are reputed colleges, reputed institutes like IIT and all, and there are many applicants and there are very few seats. So in order to understand who really deserve this seat, we have the interviews such as admission interviews. In all the reputed institutes and colleges and even schools, international schools and all, there are interviews which are known as admission interviews. The third type of interviews are known as telephonic or online interviews. Now telephonic interview or online interview is specially taken where the interviewee and interviewer are very far away from each other. So it really becomes very difficult to reach over the venue or consider the travel expenses and all. So basically you are trying to understand the potential or caliber of that particular candidate simply via conducting an interview on telephone or online. In this situation where an interviewer is in Germany or an interviewee is in India, obviously they will not go to Germany, neither this person will come to India. So obviously this kind of situation will have a lot of opportunity related to telephonic or online interview. The next type of interview is known as stress interview. Now when we are talking about stress interview is exactly as the title suggests. In this particular interview, a lot of stress is given to the interviewee by the interviewers. Now basically this is a kind of interview which is specially for the higher designations. For the junior designations and fresher designations, generally it is not conducted. But when someone is applying for the position of a vice president or the position of some president, something like that, then there is a kind of interview which is stress interview. Now under stress interview, lot of stress is given. One by one, all the interviewers are putting the questions to an interviewee and they are trying to make fun of him, ridicule him, make mockery of him, just trying to understand the patience or the calmness of that particular interviewee. One who is coming up with flying colors in such kind of interview is basically selected by the company. Now why this is done? Because they want to understand that in a very pressure kind of situation, in a very stressful kind of situation, where one decision of this person can bring glory or lot of loss to the company, he or she, how is he or she able to bear that kind of pressure or stress? This is what is stress interview. We will talk about the other types of interviews and more about the job interview in my video number 2. Thank you so much.